Guys, these are all my plushies, and I mean all my fidgets. I'm gonna put them all back in together. Okay, I got this. It's cool, isn't it? Hey, let me put you down for a second. I need to close it up. Okay, I closed it up. Let's put it in the bin. Guys, if you're a huge fan of Lanky Box, you must have this. It's a Lanky Box plushie. Squishy. Let's put it in the box. This is what I found in the attic. It smells good. Smell it. Smells like something good. It's a dog. So let's put it back in. And I got this mochi. It's a little bunny. Let's put it back in. And I got this bunny. Wait, this isn't a bunny. This is a duck. Joke. I got this poppet. Put it back in the box. And then I got this. It's really soft. Put it back in. Got this another mochi. It's a hippo. Wait, this isn't a hippo. It looks like a frog. Look at this. This is a dinosaur mochi. Ooh. Let's put it back in the box. Let's look at this one. I got a little one like this one. Look. Subscribe to see it. Look. This one, yeah. And then I got this dog. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Look. Squish, squish. Put it back in the box. See right there? Yeah. And then I got this. This actually isn't mine. I'm just saving it for my cousin, so. It's red actually, but the camera thinks it's pink, so they're showing it pink. So put it back in the bin. Right there. And I got this poppet. Wait, I'm gonna pop it for you guys. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Put it back in the bin. This and this. These squishies. So in the next video, I'll do the rest. Bye.